Welcome back. Let's now learn how logical operators work in JavaScript. Let's go back to our VS Code. Okay, now here I want to show you one example in writing. Next. Const has birth birth date, has birth year, has birth year equal true, and I'm giving here this should be A, and now I'm writing const has birth date, has birth date equal true. Here also I'm giving true and I'm calling it B. And now here I want to console.log has birth year and these are all Boolean logics and has birth date. Okay. And now this is true and this is true. We have the result true. Once check, reload here. See here, it displayed true. And now I want to change here false. And in based on the rules here, one true and one false means the statement is false. Check once. The statement is false. And now I want to show this example for OR operation. Just copy and paste. And now write here. OR operation. And what do you think the result will be? The result will be true. One true and false, that will be true in OR. Reload here. See the result. Now we will see the not operator. Here console.log. And in JavaScript, not operator means we will use exclamatory mark here and then write here has birth year. Here it is saying that not has birth year, so the expression is false. And then check here once. That is false. Now we will move on to the next step, and I am writing here const here birth year, birth date, birthday equal has birth year and has birth date. Now I am writing if condition. If birthday console.log you will know your birthday. else console.log. Simply write like this. I know my birthday. Console.log. I don't know my birthday. Here it will first me. I don't know my birthday. Okay. You can now see the result will be I don't know my birthday. I don't know my birthday because the else block is executed because here the birthday has birth year. This is true and here this is false. Now I want to write is here. I want to replace this and now I'm deleting this one and here check reload. Now I don't know my birthday displayed. Actually, if condition, it will checking the condition that has birth year. This is true and has birth date. This is false. One true and one false. So the action will be false. So if true means it displayed the first one, if condition, or else if false means it displays the else statement. So it displayed the else statement, right? Now I am changing here the value is true. So once check here true and true, the result will be also true. So the result will be I know my birthday. Let's check once. I know my birthday. It displayed. It is working perfectly. And now we are moving to the next level. We need to add another boolean variable here. Here I am writing const birth month equal true. I'm writing here C and then console.log has birth year and has birth date and birth month. Now what will be the output here? This is true and this is also true and this is also true. So the output will be true. Let's check here. So the output will be true. And now I'm here changing the value here false birth month. Now check here. This is true and this is also true. This is false. So the output will be false. Check. So the output displayed as false. In AND operation, if one of the value is false, the whole operation will be false. Let's set it back to true. And now here I am commenting all these. And I want to paste that text here. Now I want to place here this birth month and birth month, but I am here placing not, because I want to check here this AND operation using not. Has birth year true and has birth date also true. But here birth month is true, but we are placing the not before the birth month. Then the result should be I don't know my birthday, because it is false. False statement. So it goes to else. The else block is executed, and if we want to fix this, simply here replace the true value with false, and then check here, reload. See, I know my birthday. We can model all kinds of companies' decisions like this one. These three Boolean operators working perfectly, and I hope you have a clarity about these operators. Okay, fine. This is all about the working of logical operators in JavaScript. We'll see you on next lecture. Thank you.